Welcome to Farrow Built. At Farrow Built, we build buildings for the stuff that you don't keep in your house. Buildings like shops, barns, garages, hangars, welding shops, storage sheds, dairy barns, chicken barns, cattle barns, feedlots, hangars, storage sheds, warehouses, airplane hangars, boathouses, machine sheds, riding arenas, livestock shelters, equipment storage buildings, hobby shops, RV garages, carports, cold storage facilities, commercial workshops, welding shops, fabrication shops, trucking garages, lumber storage, wineries, distilleries, farm markets, feed storage, fire halls, bus barns, train depots, brewery buildings, raw sea storage, and honestly, just about anything else you can think of.
Except homes. We don't build homes. We also do repair and maintenance on shops, barns, garages, and any other sort of outbuildings, as well as new roofing on houses.
One thing we're all about here at Farrow Built is creating exceptional experiences for our customers, and the testimonials we've got just show that we've done that, and we continue to do that for our customers. Things like hardworking, pleasant, extremely skilled, and not afraid to lend a hand for things that were beyond the scope of work. Everywhere I go, I find myself smiling as I recount the very pleasant experience building the shop was. He understood our needs and was helpful in design, and work was done promptly and professionally. They were very professional and completed the job quickly and efficiently. Another contractor canceled on us at the last minute, and Farrow Built was willing and able to come in on short notice. We want to add your story to that and give you the same experience that we've given to multiple other customers in the past. One of the things that makes us different from the really big companies is we aren't using subcontract crews. We've actually got our own in-house crews that are doing the buildings, they're doing the work. So you're dealing with the same quality every single time, and it's not dependent on what crew comes out because they're all trained exactly the same way. They're all held accountable to the same standards, the same metrics. And so you're going to get the same quality no matter who's doing your job. When you deal with us, you're dealing with one crew. So we start with the foundation, and we have the same crew does the foundation, does the framing, does the cladding, the roofing, the insulating, the interior work. We do use subcontractors for a few things. For example, like the screw piles, we've used a subcontractor crew for that, and the concrete flat work, because it's very important that that's done right, and we don't do it regularly enough to do the flat work ourselves. And another thing we bring in subcontractors for is anything like plumbing, electrical, or HVAC, of course. But other than that, you're dealing with our crew throughout the entire build. We are more all-inclusive. We're going to take care of applying for the building permits. We're taking care of the engineering. All our buildings come with the engineered plans if needed. We take care of a lot of that. Just make it easy and a painless process for you to go through. So thank you for considering using us for your project. We hope the information in this video was helpful, and we've got several more videos on the website and on our YouTube channel and other social media channels where you can find more information. So head on over to our YouTube channel or check out our website, and we've got more information for you, and we're so glad that you're considering working with us. Yeah, we look forward to creating an exceptional experience for you, just like we've done for so many people in the past and are currently doing today for others.